Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isao Kamaldin and this is another Trade Trends episode where I come to analyze the market and give you some insight about what's happening and how we can be profiting of it. So let's start off with the Euro USD. Actually, what happened on the Euro USD was that in the last Trade Trends episode we caught some trade and our trade have actually hit take profits. Yeah. So let's go over the euro and see what happened. So what happened was that when the market was around there, we predicted that the market was going to come up to this the bad level here to as retracement at 0.65 retracement, but and the market did just that. Although the market is kind of like moving away from the demand from the supply level rather. I'm sorry guys, it has been a while on here, so I actually yeah, so the market is coming to the is leaving the supply level, and there is another supply level right about that. I think that's actually what the markets want to fulfill. So let's go over how we'll profit from the trade that we placed. So what happened was that there was a I was we are we've been expecting the market to come over to the up here right there since couple of days now. The market has been ranging pretty much like giving like a pattern of a flag pattern, and the market broke through the trend line, came to a test, and that's when we placed our buy position and we ride up to the upside, which we made about roughly maybe like 100 pips or so from this trade. So the confluence that we had that made us take this trade is the break of this trend line, the test on it, and this is also if you should play Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, this is the 0.618 level, which is a very powerful Fibonacci level. And if I should use my trend line, this is the trend line supporting this trade to the upside, and you guys know that the third touch of the trend line is so powerful. So that was how we profit from this trade. We took out 50% of our position here right there because this is the 100% retracement. Anything can happen. You can form a double top and the market will go against us. So at least for us to take something, we took out 50% of our position here. We moved stop loss to break even and we ride up to the upside there to this level here. So the market, I can see the market is currently going to the upside. This is also 0.8500 is also a very powerful level. So the markets might just, and there is also, if you can see, there's also a supply level right about there. So I feel that's what the market wants to go and fulfill. So that's it on the trade that we took. So um let's go over to the higher time frame and see how we can be profiting from this recent trade. This is the last trade we've profit off with already. So there's no there's no easy holding on to it. So let me go over to the 4 hours time frame. I will actually want to delete this because I don't like to have too much on my chart. So let's go over to the 4 hours time frame where we can see a clearer picture of what's going on. So I feel the market wants to go and right that our what we predicted that the market should come over here, then where we can probably see like maybe like a counter trend line break or a bearish engulfing candle to sell to the downside, but that didn't happen. We are going for another uh, supply level. If you're a supply and demand trader, you will know that this happened a lot. And if I should place, let me see something. If I should place my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low, you guys can see that the market is leaving the 0.618 level already. But if I should check and put the 0.786 level, which is also a very powerful level. Just that the market doesn't really turn around it, but when it does, it usually holds. That's it about 0.786 level. It is also a very powerful level. I like the Fibonacci retracement level that I like the most is 0.618 and 0.786. The both hold very a lot very well. So although 0.5 is also a powerful level, but you know, guys, uh, it is the half of the market, and so you can't really say the market will have doesn't like it turns around, it works well. For me, I like the 0.618 and 0.786 level the most. So I don't like to put it on my charts though. It is only when the 0.618 level don't work, that's when I put it there to avoid distraction. So that's it on Euro USD. What we just have to wait, what we just have to do is to wait for a confirmation. Let the market commit to us and tell us the direction. You guys know, as a trader, our job is to trade what the market is telling us. We are not doing, we shouldn't do what we feel the market will do. What we are supposed to do is to wait for the market to commit to us, to tell us the direction, then we act in that way. So that's it for Euro USD. What we just have to do is to be calm and see what's going on. But there is no need to rush. You guys know we waited for days before before this Euro USD trade finally took off. So like, we waited for days. So that's just how the market is. Well, we just have to be very, very patient. If you are very patient in the market, you will surely make money. So that's it on Euro USD. Let me go over to the GPB USD. You guys know GPB USD and Euro USD are likely the same thing uh because of the dollar index and the I want to say something, guys. So I did my fundamental analysis on the dollar, on the pounds, and on the euro. The overall trend for Euro USD and GBP USD is bearish. Yeah, you guys know I've said it a couple of times that the overall trend is bearish, but right now we are still bullish. I'm waiting for the Federal Reserve to release the GDP values for the I think quarter two. Yeah, for the quarter two of the year. So we'll then know like that's from the analysis I've done. We are not pretty much sure yet. So when every data is out, when every data is out, I will share my fundamental analysis spreadsheet with you guys so you guys can see and you can probably use that in your trading. So that's it for Euro USD. Let's go over GPB USD. Actually, I'm supposed to do the analysis from the monthly time frame, but I have a lot of pairs I want to analyze today. So unfortunately, I won't be doing that. So if you want to see the analysis from the higher time frame, you should go and check over the higher time frame to see the analysis. So that's it for Euro USD. GPB USD. What's happening? Actually, what's happening on the GPB USD was that, like we said in the last trade trends episode, that this is a retracement level and this is a retracement, and the market held on to it. And but then again, our overall bias for it is bearish for it to come to 1.2200. But the market is not doing that. The market, I feel the market is forming something like an inverse head and shoulder. But whatever happens, well, as a trader, what we are here to do is to do what the market tells us. So not what we feel like. So this is forming like an inverse head and shoulder, and it's will definitely come back to um to fulfill the the right shoulder. It will definitely come back to fulfill the right shoulder. All we just have to do is to be very patient and see how we can profit off it. So let's go over to the same thing happened is happening on uh, Euro USD and GBP USD. You guys know that the market moved past the 0.618 level, and the same thing is happening on on GBP USD. I'm not in this trade yet. I will just have to be waiting. Like the Euro USD. What we just have to be we just have to be very very patient and see that maybe like a bearish candle, or like you guys know your entry strategy, or when it is time for us to trade it, I will be coming live here to tell you guys. So, but for now, we just have to be very, very patient. So that's it on GPB USD too. There is not really much. It correlates with the Euro USD. So our next pair we will be analyzing is the gold. Actually, I don't think I've analyzed gold on here before. So actually, what's happening on gold? Let me go over to the weekly time frame. So can we really see much? Yeah, good. So what's happening on the gold was that there was a, in 2020 there was a Fibonacci in 2023, sorry, there was a Fibonacci playout, so that the market has completed the Fibonacci playout and also the extension level. So the market was ranging in this. It couldn't broke above it, but the market eventually broke above it, and the markets formed a new high. So what we are just waiting to do on the gold is the retracement of the new high. We are just waiting for the retracement of the new high. You guys will like whenever Euro USD and GBP USD is bearish, whenever the US dollar is strong, then the gold will be falling. That's it. That's how it is. So if you guys know about the risk off and risk on that people use in the fundamental analysis, so that explains why gold falls whenever US dollar strengthen. That explains it better. So I might give a video on fundamental analysis, but for now I think I'll have to stick to the technicals. But if you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and probably give me some likes, then I will do an analysis on. I will give you guys some insight on how to trade the fundamental analysis. So let's go over to the daily time frame. If you can also see from the daily time frame, so if you can also see from the daily time frame, there is a demand level right about here that the market might want to come and fulfill. And this is a double. The market is forming a double top. It is currently struggling to break the resistance level, the support level, the neckline of the double top. But if the market eventually break through it, the market will be coming to this demand level to fulfill this demand level. And there's one thing about double top and double bottom. If you want to calculate the number of you guys know that the double top, it is most likely like a range, because yeah. So if you want to calculate um how much a currency will go or a pair will go, what we just have to do is to measure the amount of of range. Then you should measure from the neckline to predict the next movement of the market. So it is right at our demand level. I don't know how to explain it better, but you guys should understand. And the fundamentals that back this thing off is that, yeah, I don't know if you guys know about when the market is priced in. Yeah, when the market is currently pricing, yeah, with 2,415 pounds and 2,280. So the market is priced in. That's why it has been ranging. But if the market should break through it, then they will find a new, like there will be a new price in. This is the fundamentals that back it up. So I don't want to go in depth about fundamental in this video. So probably later, as I promised guys, if you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me tons of likes, then I will do a video on how to trade the fundamental analysis. So that's it on gold. On gold also, what we just have to be doing is to be very very patient. That's the game. That, like, in forex, you have to be very patient. 80% of the time you should be only trading 20% of the time. So if you really want to take an high probability trade, so what we just have to do is to very very patient. The market is not going anywhere. We are going to make money. I assure you guys, we are going to make money. So we'll just wait for the neckline to be broken, then we'll sell out to this demand level, sell to this demand level. So that is for um gold. So let me go over one more pair, then we'll call it a day. We'll do the rest in the next trends episode. Actually, let me go over the AUD USD. So AUD USD is likely the same too. You guys know, from for the longest time the AUD USD has, we've predicted. Let me go over to the monthly time frame to explain to you guys. Actually, this is a Fibonacci play that is yet to complete. We predicted the market should come to 0.6200, but the market came like almost at it, but the market is just shy of it. But then again, I still assure you guys that the market is going to come to this 0.6200 level. It is just that what's currently happening in the forex market is with the fundamentals. You guys know this is a new month and there will be a lot going on in the market. And today too, like we saw the pair moving away, taking off the 0.618 level. But today is Friday, there is NFP. A lot will actually happen. The US news, you guys know how powerful the NFP is. So we just have to be very patient. A lot is going to happen. But I will urge you guys should stay off of this market this week. Then we can continue next week. And when the trade is ready to play out, I'll come and give you guys the call, and I will hold your hand to the downside. So that, because I'm still 80% bearish on the major pairs. So that's it. So what's happening on AUD? We are expecting the market to come over here. It is still shy of it. The market is actually ranging. So that's it. The market, and if you guys know, there is something about by support and resistance line. If the market should touch it and didn't break above it, so definitely our next level target will be the next support on the resistance line. I don't know if you guys understand me. Like, if the market should touch it and didn't break above it, definitely our next level target will be the next support or resistance line. Like what happened there, the market touched it, couldn't break through it, then the market came over to the next support level, and when the market broke through it, the market is struggling to come to the next support level, but it will eventually come there. That's how it is. That's how, if you guys can see the charts, you should confirm from it. You guys can see the same happen there. The market couldn't break above it and it came to the next support level. When it broke through it, it came to the next support level. So that's how the market works. This my support and resistance level are very very powerful level. So it guides me a lot in my trading. I will also do a video for you guys on how to plot this dynamic area support and resistance level that is very very powerful like this. So let's go over to the weekly time frame and see what's going on the weekly time frame. So the market has been has actually been moving mad. Like, we expected the market to come over here, the market shied away the same. What we just have to do, but then again, you guys know that the what's happening on euro is the cost of all this on the AUD. If the euro is bearish, then definitely AUD USD too will be bearish. It all depends on the dollar index. So guys, that's all. That will be all for today. Goodbye, guys.